Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Hamsa earrings. These cute little earrings are sure to add a little bit of flair to your outfit. Let's take a look at the products and tools we need. For this project, I will be using the 4mm Amethyst Swarovski Crystal Bicone beads and 4mm Turquoise Swarovski Crystal Bicone beads, the Hamsa Hand Link by TierraCast, a turquoise 30mm embroidery thread tassel. I have a 21mm sterling silver French hoop ear wires, and then I have 2-inch 22 gauge eye pins and head pins, and then I've got two 5mm 21 gauge open jump rings. For my tools, I will be using chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, and I've got wire cutters. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin, I'm going to go ahead and start at the top of my earring, and I'm just going to work my way down. So I'm going to take a 4mm amethyst. I'm going to put it on the eye pin, and I'm going to use that to attach my ear wire to the top of this little link here. So to do that, I go ahead and string on my bicone, and then just using my finger, I'm going to bend over the wire at a 90-degree angle. I'm going to take my wire cutters, and I'm going to cut the majority of the length off, just enough to leave a little bit of length there to make a small little loop. Then taking your round nose pliers, you're going to grab just the tip of the wire. And I want it to be a fairly small loop, so I'm going to be pretty far down on my round nose, and then I'm just going to go ahead and gently roll it back into a loop. So now I've got this nice little link here, and I'm just going to go ahead and straighten this up, because you want one of them to face one direction and then the other one to face the other way for the orientation on your earrings there. So using my chain nose, I'm going to open up one side of the amethyst link, and I'm going to go ahead and put on the charm. And these charms are so cute, the little detail on them and everything. They're really nice, and they're two-sided. So I really like this new line. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the top of the link and then close that side. And then I'm going to open the loop on the other side, and I'm going to attach that to my ear wire. And then gently close that. So I've got the first part of my earring done. So now I'm going to start towards the bottom here. This is in the same fashion that I made the amethyst little link there. I went ahead and I've already made 4 of the turquoise links, and I'm going to attach those to each of the little hands except for the middle part there, so each of the little fingers. So I'm going to go ahead in the same fashion that I attached the top one. I'm just going to open one of the links, and I'm going to move it to the side, and I'm going to attach it to the end here, and then close it. And I'm just going to repeat that process for the other little fingers. So you attach turquoise beads to each finger except for the middle one, and that's where we're going to put our tassel at. Yep. I've got one more to do here. Attach it to the thumb. All right, so I got part of it done. So now at this point, I'm ready to put on my amethyst beads here at the bottom, and I'm going to use just little head pins to do that, to make a simple loop. So I'm going to grab a head pin and one amethyst bead, slide it on there, and I'm going to bend it over just with my fingers, a 90-degree bend. Same fashion as I did the link there. I'm just going to trim the majority of the tail, just leaving a little bit to make a little loop. Using my round nose, I'm going to grab just the tip of the wire and make sure you're pretty far down in your round nose, because you want a small little link for these guys. And you roll it back to make a little loop. So I've got that one done, and I went ahead and just prepped 3 others. And each of these amethyst little drops are going to be attaching to the turquoise links that we've already put on there. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up just by moving the loop to the side. And I'm going to attach it to the turquoise bead, and then just go ahead and close it. And I'm going to do that for each of the remaining turquoise beads. I think the color combo on these earrings is really fun, and it's great how well the turquoise crystal color matches the tassel. It's really pretty. So just continue adding those to your little turquoise bead links here. Again, you're going to leave the middle section there open because that's where we're going to put our tassel, so no beads actually go on that. And then I've just got one more here. And then close it. So now, it's like it's almost done. So now I'm just going to take a jump ring and I'm going to attach the tassel to the middle link there. And it's going to give it a nice like long look there. It's going to be fun. So to open your jump ring, you pull one side towards you and one side away from you. You're going to slide on your tassel. And I really like these pre-made tassels. They're really nice and just very cute. I'm going to slide through that middle link there. It's the only one that doesn't have any beads on there, and then you'll close your jump ring. And there you have this really cute little earring. You can find all the products and tools for this inspiration design at fusionbeads.com.